Okay, what's going on YouTube? Dapper Dan here. Another beautiful day here in Colorado. And today I am going to be installing a phone holder slash GoPro holder for my Bronco. Since I do have the auxiliary port right here, I can charge a phone or a GoPro. And it attaches to this somehow, so I went and got my Bronco toolkit from the back because I'm going to need to somehow attach it up there. We'll figure it out. Hopefully the lighting is good enough in here. And I found one that's a combination. It's a phone holder and a GoPro holder. So the GoPro will go right here for off-roading and the phone holder will go right here. So here we go. And it just happens to be black and red, my favorite colors. So here's the phone holder portion. It's like a clamp style. We don't need that at the moment. And portion of the, I guess part of the GoPro holder. We'll see. This is the GoPro holder itself. I like that red star on there. That's cool. So obviously you guys know the GoPro, you screw it onto the top right here. So we don't need that at the moment. Some tools for us. An Allen wrench and a bolt. Wish the bolt was black, but it's okay. This is probably for the phone holder. And oh, look at that. This comes with the screw for the GoPro. That's nice. Okay, so there's the main part of it. It's a little Picatinny rail like you would see on a AR style rifle. And it goes, oops, it goes right here like this. So that's pretty cool. And this is probably the arm for the phone holder. So we don't need that at the moment. So now we have to figure out how to do this. I don't know if something just screws right in there. Let's look at the instructions. Yeah, so that doesn't unscrew. So I didn't need my Bronco toolkit after all, because this just screws in on the top. This is going to be the easiest installation ever. Okay. So it goes like this. Hopefully you guys can see and you're not seeing the mirror. It goes like this, and then the screw just goes in the top like this. Hopefully. Yeah. So the screw just goes in the top like this, and we gotta make sure it lines up. There we go. The red is a little bit darker shade red than my Bronco, but it's all good because it's still red. That's cool. I can just screw something in right there. I guess Ford knew everybody would be coming out with mods to put right here. So there we go. That's installed. And let's install the GoPro holder first. Okay. Oh gosh. So you just basically slide it on the edge right there, and then tighten this down. And you can loosen it to move it back and forth. I don't know if I want the GoPro that close to the windshield, so we can always adjust it later. And that's nice and snug there. That's not going anywhere. All right, now for the phone holder, this loosens it up right here. And I want the phone holder as close to the edge as possible. There we go. That way it can be as close to me as possible. Okay, and now we open up this to hold the phone. This is just like any RAM mount you would see. Gotta widen it up. Oh no. tighten it back down. Okay. Now for this part, oops, we got one more ball here. Okay, that pops in there, and then you can tighten it like this. And then this part goes in here. Fell off again. There we go. Yeah, the piece with the orange piece is what you want to go in the arm itself. There we go. Perfect. That way, let's mount my phone in there just to get everything here. There we go. That's how I want it. Tighten everything up. And even being that tight, I can still move it around. There we go. Now, so it does not interfere with the hero buttons and it doesn't interfere with the mirror. That's how I want it. There you guys go. There is the install of this GoPro and phone mount holder. I think it works pretty well. It's nice and solid. It's not going anywhere. Again, if you guys want one of these for yourself, the link will be down in the description. It's a Best Tau or something. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's nice metal construction and it's very, very high quality. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you really enjoyed the video, share it with a friend. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Later. We'll be right back.